Good Tuesday morning, and thank you for checking out this weather update. Before we get into the weather here, I want to mention that this Saturday, Mr. Quik will be at the Indy Humane Mutt Strut this year. They'll be giving out medals for the dogs at the end of the race, taking pictures at their photo booth, printing them at their information booth as well. There will also be magnetic frames. They'll be booking services for additional donations to the Indy Humane Society as well. So should be a great time. We'll give you that forecast as well. And for more information, check out the description. So here's a look at today's weather headlines. Today should be another nice spring day. We enjoyed some great weather out there yesterday. Not quite as warm today because there is a cold front starting to move through the area, but we should stay dry other than maybe a very brief sprinkle, but I really think we're going to stay dry. Tomorrow, late in the day, and Thursday will bring our next best chance for some rain, and we should see sunshine return on Friday. So here's that forecast. Temperature wise, we'll be close to 70 today, and then tomorrow will be in the mid to upper 60s. Same can be said for Thursday. Rain chances start to go up later tomorrow afternoon, and we will keep that rain chance in place through Thursday. Not going to rain all day those days though, and then Friday looks like a very nice day. Saturday, we do see our next rain chance coming in, but it looks like the timing will put that in here in the afternoon hours, so we'll keep Saturday morning dry. We'll just have to fine tune the timing. Hopefully we can get the Mutt Strut in before the rain arrives, but I think it will be a close call, so we definitely need to keep an eye on the forecast for Saturday as well. And as we go into Sunday, we'll keep it dry with temperatures staying in the 60s out there. So that's all I have for your forecast today. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day.